Meet Walt. He's a fluffy, friendly explorer who loves to wander. But today is different. His special compass is glowing, which means a new adventure is about to begin. He has a very special mission. His mission is all about food. You see, some of our favorite foods, like yummy bread and chewy pasta, have a tiny ingredient inside called gluten. It's what makes bread so soft and stretchy. But for some kids, gluten doesn't feel so good. It can make their tummies feel ouchy and uncomfortable, and that's no fun at all. That's why some families look for special foods labeled gluten-free. Eating this way helps everyone feel their best, happy, and full of energy.
And guess what? Gluten-free food can be super tasty too.
That's why Walt is traveling the world. He wants to show that delicious food, joy, and friendship can be found wherever you wander, no matter what you eat.
His first stop is a city famous for pasta and treats. Ready? Let's wander to Rome.